Hello viewers, we are going to continue in our operational technology, the common port in operational technology, cybersecurity. So we'll be discussing about port 443, which is the HTTPS. Now, firstly, we are going to discuss about the problem that what HTTPS would solve. But before then, I want to tell you that if you are ready, you want to learn cybersecurity, you want to build your career in cybersecurity, you want to build your portfolio, you need a mentors. Reach out to KKIT Service Academy. They are the one to train you to become a professional and master cybersecurity craft. Are you with me? So let's continue, and then we are going to discuss the problem that HTTPS was solved. Imagine you want to log into your email, access a company dashboard, access a company dashboard, view a SCADA web interface, check a cloud-based monitoring system. Now you are sending username and password, which is sensitive information. If that information travel across the network without protection, anyone listening could steal the information, which is the password and the username. So engineer created HTTPS to solve this problem. So HTTPS is hypertext transfer protocol. That's what HTTPS stands for. Let's simplify that. HTTPS is the language a web browser uses to load websites, which is HTTP, and then HTTPS is the secure version of that language. It protects communication between your web browser, the a web servers, and then port 443 is the main communication door used by HTTPS. And then you should know that the IP address is the building, and then the port is the door, and the HTTPS is is the secure web conversation. When you see HTTPS, which when you see HTTPS / once you see this, once you see this in your browser, your service, your device is communicating through port 443, which is HTTPS. And then what does HTTPS actually do? HTTPS does three important things. Number one, encryption. It's scrambled information so outsider cannot read it, which means that it converts plain text to ciphertext, which is encryptions, so that even though so an outsider have access to the traffic or to the packet, you should not be able to decrypt it. And then another thing is authentication. That's the number two. What it does, it confirms you are talking to the real person. It authenticates you. And then the last one, which is the integrity, it ensures that message is not altered during transmissions. So those are the things HTTPS does. And then let us think of HTTP like sending a log bus through the email. Only the sender and the receiver have the key. If someone intercepts it, they cannot read it. So the application of HTTPS in the IT, HTTPS is used for for online banking, email, corporate dashboard, cloud platform, web application. It is the foundation of modern internet security. And then where HTTPS is used in operational technology, and then in oil and gas. Then the thing is that many people think that HTTPS is only for website. No, that is not true. In the operational technology environment, HTTPS is used for SCADA web interface, remote monitoring dashboard, engineering configuration tools, vendor portals, Internet of Things, cloud platform, oil and gas. And then we are going to be using oil and gas as an example, which is we have to imagine a refinery uses a web-based dashboard to monitor production. In the engineering aspects, it's open a website, connect to the SCADA web interface, and then view real-time process data. And then that communication may happen over port 443, which is HTTPS. Why HTTPS is important in industrial system? Without HTTPS, login credential can be stolen. Process data can be intercepted. Command can be manipulated. Encryption protect what? Operational data, user credential, remove sections. So the big misconception about HTTPS is what? Is that HTTPS is fully what? Secured. And this is very important. Many people believe that what? If it is HTTPS, it is safer. That is not always what? True. HTTPS only protects what? Data in transit. It does not want to protect against weak password, stolen credential, malware on the system, poor access control. Encryption protects what? Communication, not what? Decisions. So while port 443 is often what? Targeted, attacker targets HTTPS because it is allowed through what? Firewall. It looks like normal web traffic. It also blends in with regular communication. Malicious activities can hide inside encrypted web traffics. So why HTTPS monitoring is harder? Because HTTPS encrypts what? Traffics. Security tools cannot what? Easily inspect content. Threat what? Detection became more what? Complex. In operational technology, decrypting traffic carelessly can what? Introduce delay, breaks sensitive systems. So security must balance what? Visibility, performance, and then safeties. So that is why HTTPS matters in what? Digital transformation. So in the modern oil and gas operation we use cloud analytics, remote dashboard, internet of things, monitoring, centralized reporting. All of this rely heavily on what? On port 443. It is one of the most important ports in modern what? Industrial environment. So port 443 is the secure highway of modern digital communication in both what? IT and operational technology, because it protects credential, data, remote access. But security depends not just on encryption, it depends on configuration, access control, and what? Monitoring. So do you think encryption alone is enough to secure industrial system? Why or why not? So let's discuss in the comment section. So have a nice day. So comment, subscribe on our YouTube channels, and then share also. Thank you.